Hi everyone, welcome to Trader Neo. This is your friend Aryan presenting you second day of forex trading, that is the date of 26th May. In this video I will be showing some of the demo trades that I took in gold, that is the script XAUUSD. There were a couple of trades, 3 to 4 trades that I have taken, and yesterday starting trade was a negative. It gave me a loss. My stop loss was hit, and after that I managed to end the day in a positive. Also, towards the end of the day, there was a massive move that I had expected. However, due to FOMO, as presented in the thumbnail, due to FOMO, I could not uh, carry it to a bigger target, and so I had to close the position early. So let's move on to the chart and see how the things went. Let's go. On the screen, we are seeing gold chart 4 hours. This is TradingView application. Let me minimize the watch list. And this is a replay indicator. Here we can see if we move here, the right side of the charts will be hidden, and if I move here, accordingly I can place it, and that way it will hide the right part of the chart. So before coming to TradingView, let's see what all were the trades. So this is MT5 terminal, if you guys are familiar with it, or else you can download it. It is a very good terminal, uh, quite good terminal for traders, and the perks of it is that it is free of cost, and it has a massive benefits. Though it is a bit like its learning curve is quite steep, it is quite hard, quite awkward for a beginner. There are many things and it gets complicated, but once you get familiar with it, it will be quite easy, and I'm sure you will love this application, terminal to be precise. Anyway, so yesterday was 26th, so on 23rd, that is Friday, I had shown like this trade. This trade we had mentioned, that gave me a profit of $16 on 0.01 lot. Next comes the 26th. See here, uh, I guess, let me check if my camera is not obstructing. Yeah. Earlier, when I put camera at the bottom part, you guys could not have seen the profit, and also today I have kept it up on the top right corner. Okay, so here please follow my cursor and the highlighted row. You can see it is the first trade on 26th of May. It was taken at around 4 a.m. So let me move on to 15 minutes chart, and I will, trade history is on. Yes, trade history is on. Let's get cursor. Okay, to okay, it was 4 a.m. So 26th 4 a.m. Yes, somewhere here. Yeah, this one. See, uh, can you guys see? Okay, let me mark it with my pen. Where is my pen? Yeah. Okay. So for that pen, I have to first use. I forgot to open my pen tool. Let it open. Okay, let me move it a bit side. So with the pen tool, let me mark. So this was the first trade. Can you see? And it was a selling trade. Even I don't know why I had took. It was early morning trade that I went short, and you can see here this one hit my SL. I had sold at 3340, and my SL was hit at 3347, and that encountered me a loss of around $6.50 on 0.01 lot. Next trade that I took was 5 a.m. in the morning. Again a selling trade. Let me mark it for you. This one. Price was in downtrend, and when this this triangular pattern was breached, I went short here. However, I had left the terminal, and when it came down up till here, you can see I booked my profit, and that profit amounted to $3.50 here. After that, the next trade I took was at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. and that was a selling trade, again a selling trade. Let me remove the drawings, and that trade was this one. See, I had earlier sorted at this level, and price had came down here. I booked the profit. However, when I found again that my that price has come up to my selling level here, I again went short, sell, and I when price came up to here, I guess it was my SL was hit. Okay, sell 3350, SL 3343. Yeah, my SL was hit, and that gave me a profit of 7 and roughly around $7.3. Next, there were some small trades at 10 a.m. This one was buy trade, which I exited here. This was mainly because I thought this is a support zone, and so when price came to here, I bought it. Next, okay, 10:37 is over. Now let's move on to, after that I guess the bigger trade that I went was this one, the one that we'll be discussing, the one for which I have made this video. So let's move on. So let's remove all the drawings. So that trade was taken at uh, 3:30 p.m. in the London session. So before I move on to it, let me move on to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, here on trading view application, we can see this is moving average 20 of 20 moving average, exponential moving average. Here you can see, remember the time that was somewhere here. No, this green, small green candle. Let me mark it. Oh, first let me move the pen tool. Okay, this green candle was my entry. So you can see where in the first price. Okay, can we I guess this drawing is not obstructing you. Please follow my marker. See, this is the moving average. Price was down of this moving average. Here it started coming up. This is the first point. Price breached moving average, then it went up, and here it came to the moving average level and took support and went up. Again it was coming down and near the moving average on 4-hour chart. So I took this opportunity. Like previous, it has taken support, so this time also it will take support. I anticipated that. I thought that with that view I went long here. Now let me move on to 15-minute chart. Let's remove all the drawing. So here, though on 15 minutes chart we can see that price is below moving average, you can see. However, it is now coming closer to moving average, and at this point I entered long here, thinking that on 4-hour chart it is taking support on moving average, and so it will take support there today also, and this time also. So I went long here, and when price was quickly at this candle. Okay, let me, to be precise, let me see the timings. Timings was 15:24:42. 15:24:42. 15:24:42. That is, oh god, is it? Oh, okay, 15:24:42. Yeah, this one. I guess there is something wrong with its timing. I have not set proper time zone here. Anyways, we will correct it. So remember this candle. I was thinking of going long here itself. Somewhere. Let me again remove the drawings. Yeah. I was thinking of going long somewhere here. Now when the price swiftly came down, I entered at this level. Then in the next candle, this is bullish engulfing pattern. Remember this? If you guys are not familiar, this is a bullish engulfing pattern where one candle totally engulfs the other candle. And here a red candle is engulfed by green candle, so it is a bullish engulfing pattern. And so I put a stop, and I was not convinced at it. Something made me feel in FOMO of losing my profits. I trailed my stop loss somewhere here, and that my stop loss was hit. And so that is how I went out of the trade. Later on, I found that it gave a huge rally. However, that rally was faded today. Anyway, so that we will cover in the next video. That is today's trades we will cover in the next video. So that is how I managed to close yesterday in a profit. See, $6.50 negative, then $7 positive, 32538. So roughly around $8 I closed in positive for yesterday. So that was all for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to comment in the box any doubts that you have. I will be very much happy to clear your doubts. This way I will also have clarity over my knowledge. So thank you guys and have a nice day. Signing off, Aryan.